Hi everyone, this is Miss Nestor, and you have an upcoming project on animals. So, you have to use photos in your presentation, and I made this video so that way you can learn how to make your photos maybe a little more creative. Say that you want to edit them or make them look a little different. I'm going to show you how to do that, and this isn't required, but it's just for fun if you're curious on how to be able to do this. So I'm going to show you how to do this using PicMonkey.com. The first thing you're going to have to do is choose the photo that you're wanting to edit. And you'll have to save that picture and then be able to find it. So I have a picture of a cheetah here. Pretend I'm doing my presentation on a cheetah. And I'm going to show you some basic editing things that you can do to make this picture maybe a little more interesting or bright. So this picture is a little dark. This program can actually fix most of the problems for you by just pressing auto adjust. And it looks a lot better already. Now if you want to go a little further, you can do things like crop. Because you only want the cheetah in the picture, you can make it a little more focused, just like that, and press apply when you have what you want in it. Now other things that you can maybe consider doing, you can explore some of these on your own. But I will show you exposure, which can make the contrast of your picture darker or lighter, which looks a little neat if you want to get fancy with it. But if you don't like things like the shadows and you're worried because you don't want it to look like that, you can just press cancel and it goes back to its original form. You can also do things like sharpen the picture if you think it's a little blurry and increase or decrease, but once again you can cancel that if you don't like it. And you can explore some of these others, but they might not be as helpful to you. Other effects make these pictures look a little different. So let's say that you kind of want your picture to have a boost to it. And see how it automatically changes that for you, and you can increase or decrease the strength based on how much boost you want to be there. There's lots of options here that you might want to explore if you like dark edges, if you want to add color to the edges. So let's say I want to do yellow and I apply that. So you can explore what some of the options are here, but there's a lot of neat ones. I will warn you though that if it has this little symbol down in the corner, this little crown, this means that that's not free. So we want to make sure that you're only using the things that you can get for free without having to do an upgrade. So make sure just to press cancel if you accidentally use one of those. Other things are this, which is touch up, but since we just have animals, you don't need to worry about blemishes on the animals, right? But you can add text. So since this is a cheetah, I'm going to choose a font from one of these, and then I can do add text, and I can write in cheetah. Or how about the cheetah can run very fast. So then, since that might not show up very well, what you can do is you can change the colors. And you can just explore with this, and if it doesn't look right, you might not want to have it, but it's just an option if you'd like. Other options are you can add stickers. Hearts might not be appropriate, but there are some things like that you might find helpful if you'd like to spruce up your pictures a little bit with some stickers. If your animal's a butterfly, for example, then you could put a butterfly there. But if it doesn't apply to your animal, let's not use it. There's also borders that you can use, so you can experiment with these, such as rounded corners. And then there's also textures, such as you can make your animal look like it is running through space. But we don't want to do that because your animals aren't in space. So that should be about it that you'll be able to use for this. Let me know if you have any questions, and hopefully this is a way you can get a little more creative with your projects. I'll see you in school tomorrow. Bye.